Whoa. A lot of people keep looking to buy affordable category 4K Google TVs, right? Maybe under like 50,000 rupees or something like that. You people came to the right video. Today we have a brand new model from Sony, recently launched in the Indian market. It's called as the X75L series 2023 lineup, and this is what we'll be checking out in this video, guys. It actually packs some really good features and even has some gaming related features as well, with HDMI 2.1, auto low latency mode, and a couple of features made for Sony PS5. And the pricing of this TV starts at only around like 49,000 rupees. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing and check out the TV. So our brand new Sony Bravia TV came in this sort of box packaging, and the model we'll be checking out today is their all new 2023 edition KD series X75L. It's available in multiple size variants from 43 inches to 65 inches. Today in the house we have the 43-inch variant, and pricing, as I've told you, starts at only around 49,000 rupees change. Links for that will be available in the description box below. This is a 4K HDR Google TV and has lots of interesting features. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open it, you get a separate power adapter for the TV along with a mains cord. Usually TVs come with built-in power supplies, but that doesn't seem to be the case on this particular model. Followed by a TV setup guide, and you also get a pair of TV stands along with installation screws. And lastly, this one is your TV remote, guys. So TV remote has also been updated with a newer design. We'll come and talk about this at a later part in the video. Keeping all the accessories aside, now let's finally take the TV out of the packaging and let me show you how it looks like. Wait a second, looks like we also have some more paperwork, your warranty stuff and all of that, and also two AAA batteries for the remote. That's it, these are all the accessories. And there you go boys, our hands on and very first look at Sony's all new 43X75L. Looks pretty nice. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the TV, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. Setup वेटअप सब हो गया guys, and I've been using this TV since the last few couple of days, and there is a lot I'll have to talk about in this video. I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback, so make sure to watch it till the end. See, when you're spending almost like 50,000 rupees on a product, right, obviously you people would also like to get like full information about it, na? So bear with me. First of all, let me give you like a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality part. The model we'll be checking out today is their 2023 lineup KD series 43X75L. And in this particular series, right, you're getting multiple sizes from 43 inches to all the way up to 65 inches. The one we have in the house today is their 43-inch variant, and it's a 4K HDR Google TV, guys. So talking about the design, TV looks clean and minimalistic from the front. It has a uniform bezel design on the front side, and these are not the slimmest bezels I've seen on a TV, but it's like a mid-range segment TV from the brand, right? Acceptable for the price point. But if you actually have a closer look at the bezels, right, they have a brushed metallic sort of finish, so that actually gives you like a premium sort of vibe. Entire TV has a black finish only. And talking about the stand as well, look at that, you're getting a slim blade design stand, and this is actually seen on their Sony premium TVs, guys. So similar sort of design you're getting on this particular variant also. And I'll definitely give you a closer look and talk about the connectivity ports as well in a moment. But before that, let me turn around the TV and show you how the back of the body looks like. So this time Sony has actually slightly updated their design language over here. If you ask about the build quality of the TV is also good, feels solid and durable. It's entirely made of like polycarbonate material only, but as I've told you, right, it has like a brushed metallic sort of finish and gives you that premium feel. Not only that, one more point I'd like to add is it features their X Protection Pro. So basically, this TV is a bit resistant to dust, humidity, and also has like built-in surge protection also up to 2 kV. Having a closer look at the connectivity ports, they're placed at a very convenient position, easily accessible. Even if you wall mount the TV, you're getting 2 USB ports to connect some storage devices, 2 HDMI ports are available to the side, followed by a 3.5mm headphone jack is there and an RF antenna port. And the remaining ports are available at the back of the TV. So you're getting a DC in where you need to connect the power adapter, AV in is also there, optical audio out is available, Ethernet LAN port as well, and lastly one more HDMI port, and this one supports ARC. Anyways, moving on, finally let's jump into the home screen and talk about the built-in apps, features, and basically UI. I've told you, right, this is a Google TV, and we've reviewed so many Sony Google TVs in the recent times. You can expect similar sort of experience over here. It has a very clean and modern UI, and everything is like neatly organized, guys. You're getting so many tabs at the top, and the main section is called as For You. Here you can actually check out content or maybe like any sort of media based on your personal recommendations. It keeps changing and updating depending on the type of content you keep watching. Plus you're getting so many apps like pre-installed over here, guys. YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus, Hotstar, Amazon Prime Video, all of them came pre-installed, so that's a good thing. And apart from that, since it's a Google TV, right, it supports so many apps and games that you can download from the store. Almost like 10,000 plus apps are available, so not an issue at all. And apart from that, content is also like super big range, guys. Almost like 7 lakh plus titles are available, either it be movies or web series. So let me quickly head over to the settings and talk about that as well. First of all, guys, this particular Sony TV came with Android TV OS version 11 out of the box, and as soon as I powered it on, right, I even got like a software update. They didn't actually mention what that was, but definitely seems to have improved the overall TV home screen experience. And apart from that, if you ask about the Wi-Fi thing, this TV definitely supports dual band Wi-Fi. Both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band support is there, and Bluetooth A2DP support is also available. If you ask about the storage on board, it seems like you're getting around 16 GB of storage, but a little bit of that is already occupied by the operating system and the built-in apps and stuff. So you're left with around like 7.8 to 8 GB, which is like plenty for a TV, guys. Even if you want to install any of those apps or games now, aram se you can do that. Coming to the picture and sound settings, let me also show them to you. Plenty of picture adjustments are there. Now come on, it's a Sony TV. Sony offers like so many settings. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, color saturation, hue also, and not only that, in the advanced settings, right, you can even adjust things like motion compensation, MEMC. You know, once you enable this, you can get that soap opera kind of smooth effect. This is called as motion smoothing, guys, and Sony has a specific term called as motion flow. This TV supports motion flow XR200 to be specific. And yes, a true cine mode is also there to experience movies the way they were meant to be by directors. And not only that, the TV also supports Sony's exclusive live color feature as well, which when enabled will offer a wide color gamut range and makes things look very beautiful and colorful, guys. We'll anyhow come there and talk about the picture quality part in a moment. Keeping the picture settings aside, here's how the sound settings look like. Very simple sound settings, I'd say. You're getting stereo down-firing speakers with up to 20 watts of output, and you can adjust basic things like, you know, virtual surround effect mode is also there, and you know, basic stuff. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, Netflix, play some videos over here, movie content, just have a look at them, and after that I'll be back to talk about the picture and audio quality. Lately, I've been getting a lot of comments from you people, audience, asking like, Vimal, why can you make like a separate video, more like a tutorial on what exactly to do after building a PC? Now that is a very interesting question. I'll have to hand it over to you. So thing is, guys, Sony's X75L is a 43 inches 4K TV that even supports HDR10, and I've been using this TV for the last couple of days and watched like variety of content, guys, either it be 4K movies, TV shows, or even like web series on Netflix, and I was like quite impressed with the picture quality on this model, especially for the price that you're paying. There's good amount of detail, and especially like 4K resolution at 43 inches was producing crisp and clear detail, guys. And if you ask about the colors were also nice. Color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were on point. Initially, I was a bit skeptical because this is like a mid-range segment TV from the brand, right? But nothing like that. Sony has not cut corners anywhere. They've done a good job with the panel quality over here, and it's like very well color calibrated from the factory. And because of that, the color reproduction, color accuracy, everything were on point, and I didn't have to actually adjust anything in the picture settings. I was like quite satisfied with the default settings on this TV. Contrast levels were good, black levels are also decent, but do not compare them with like premium full array LED TVs. There you'll obviously get like much better experience. If you ask about the brightness of the TV is also nice and sufficient, and for day-to-day sort of usage it will get your job done. But if you're using this TV in like your living room and you have lots of windows, or maybe like bright lighting situation is there you might feel brightness tad a bit less. But if you're using it in like bedroom or something like that, more than enough, and it'll get your job done. Viewing angles of the TV were also nice. Picture looked the same no matter from which angle you were viewing, and reflection handling capability was also decent, though you might observe a bit of reflections if there are lots of light sources in your room. And talking about the processor and picture engine on board, you're getting Sony's 4K processor X1, and this processor is mainly responsible for tuning colors and picture processing and stuff like that. It uses lots of algorithms to improve picture clarity, color management, and also reduces noise like MPEG noise and these sort of stuff from your videos. Also, you might even ask about 4K upscaling, right? So yes, it has support for X-Reality Pro, which takes care of 4K upscaling. So even if you're watching like low resolution files, maybe like 720p or even like 1080p Full HD, right? It does a good job upscaling them to 4K. Talking about the dynamic range on the TV was good. There was good amount of detail in both the highlights and shadow areas despite lacking Dolby Vision support and HDR10+. So that is something you'll be missing out on this model. If you want that, you'll obviously need to go for premium models and spend a bit extra. On the overall, I am telling you, right, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display that you're getting on the X75L. Keeping all of that aside, let me share you my audio experience as well. So this TV features down-firing stereo speakers with an open baffle design and have like 10 watt full range drivers. So totally you can expect around like 20 watts of output. And based on my experience, audio quality was like decent, I'd say, for the price that you're paying. See, if you're like a normal person and do not have extra budget to spend on audio equipment, maybe like soundbars, this will get your job done, guys. Distortion also minimum up to 75% volume level, and audio output also like loud and sufficient for basic day-to-day sort of usage. But if you're like an audio enthusiast and you're looking for pro level sound, you obviously need to spend extra on a soundbar or maybe like a 5.1 home theater system. Then only you will be like full satisfied with the experience. Now some of you might ask like, Vimal bhai, how is this TV for gaming? Can we use it for PS5 console gaming and stuff like that? So this is not made exactly for gaming, but yes, you're getting some gaming related features. TV supports HDMI 2.1 port and has auto low latency mode at this price point, guys. And not only that, it's also compatible with your Sony PS5 and features auto genre picture mode. So what happens is, if you connect your PS5 to this TV, right, it will automatically detect the console and enable game mode and ALLM, guys. So this is actually a good thing. And also it automatically switches from the game mode to movie mode when you disconnect it. And lastly, you're also getting something known as auto HDR tone mapping. So this offers like great amount of detail, especially in like highlights and shadow areas, especially while you're gaming. Basically this is used to improve your overall HDR gaming experience. I wish it had maybe like higher refresh rate or VRR, but again, as I've told you, this is like a mid-range segment TV and you should definitely go for like more premium series from Sony if you want to get those sort of features. Last but not the least, let me also show you the new and updated TV remote on this model. So previously you used to get like those long and big TV remotes on Sony models, right? Now they've replaced that with a much more compact and stylish looking remote. This actually has like a flush button design and has this nice brushed metallic sort of finish on the entire body. Good quality remote, I'd say, entirely made of polycarbonate. You have the Sony branding on the bottom and plenty of buttons are there over here, guys. It even features 6 OTT shortcut apps for Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Hotstar, Prime Video, and they've added Sony Live and YouTube Music as well this time. Plus it's a smart remote. Obviously you're getting onboard microphone and a mic button as well. Simply click on this mic button, ask Google Assistant any question, and TV will give you answer on the screen. And yes, the TV also has built-in Chromecast, supports Google Home, and works with Apple AirPlay, and HomeKit support is also there. Well, that's it, our video on Sony's all-new Bravia 43 inches X75L 2023. Very good 4K TV at a mid-range price segment. You're getting solid build quality, great picture and sound, and adds in a bit of gaming features as well. Only few things I was missing over here was Dolby Vision and Atmos support, and wish the panel was slightly a bit brighter. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you all enjoyed watching it and got full information, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.